season.
Come on. Come here. Come here, baby. Where you going? She don't like me. She's so cute. She's just prancing through the crops. I don't know. Maybe she lives back in there somewhere. Who knows? Carry on. I will tell you what. It is hotter than hell out here today. Like, I was sweating my dick off trying to get this bike out of the driveway and out on the road. Now that I'm cruising, going about 60 or so, it ain't that bad. Ignore that speed limit sign. I'm going 45. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm air drying now that I'm riding. Well, that would be an interesting spot to go swimming. There's some rocks sticking up out right there. Maybe it's deep enough to jump in. It's gorgeous out here, man. It's goddamn gorgeous. Oh shit, I'm here. Here's the park. We're meeting here at this park. Oh, what a cute place. I don't even know what I'm looking for. I don't know what he drives.
Went to the Wharton School of Finance. Even then, a long time ago, like the hardest or one of the hardest schools to get into. Did well at the school.
We went ahead and got some pictures just there at the park. I think they will be pretty interesting. And now we are heading out to the interstate to get some rollers. Some rollers, just me wearing this red t-shirt that I'm wearing. And then we're gonna pull off and I'm gonna put my maroon and black hoodie back on. Alright, we just got some rollers on the interstate from a bunch of different angles while I'm wearing my maroon hoodie. I also made a little bit of a channel logo, and my mom's boyfriend owns a shop that prints clothes. So he printed a little bit of the graphic that I made for the channel on the back of this hoodie. So it should make for some interesting pictures. God damn it! There's rocks! There's rocks in the back of this truck, and they're hitting me! All over my nice clean bike. Yeah, you can't really clean a Harley with a hose because there's too much shit exposed on this bike. So I literally used a rag, cleaned everything, and then used my orbital sander with a buffing pad on it and waxed anything that was painted on the bike. Very glittery, it's glistening, it looks pretty, it looks like a girl's bike. It is a girl's bike, but it's alright. I love this Harley, the pictures turned out great. Fuck! I'm getting hit by rocks! Ah! Look at that. I'm getting hit by rocks.
Do you have any idea how fast I am? I'm fast as fuck, boy!
Woo! I love my Harley! Yeah! This bike is sick. Harleys are sick. I used to talk shit about Harleys all the time, and now that I own a Harley, like, these things are fucking nuts. I love it. These things are great. Oh, they're so good. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the pictures that I will include in this video that my friend took for me. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and like the video and stay tuned for future content. Comment down below if you enjoy moto vlogs on my Harley, and if you'd like to see more moto vlogs on my CBR 1000RR, and I'll kind of pick and choose which one I should make videos with based off of what seems to be more popular. Alright, so thank you all for watching.